Talk about the sound driver issue. So I found a fix on internet, something like this. So first of all, you have to go to Device Manager, type Device Manager. So once you come to the Device Manager, scroll down to find the system device. Here we go, system device. And click the twistie to expand it. Okay. Then scroll down, Intel Smart Sound Technology, Intel SSD controller. So find Intel Smart Technology. Well, mine is not Intel though. What? Alright, so if you're using Intel, then go there and Intel SSD controller, then double click it. So you're gonna double click it. Click the driver tab and you'll see version 10.25.0.3633 from here. Then click on rollback driver button. Click to put a dot in. My apps do not work with this driver, and click yes and Shazam. Your driver starts working immediately. Okay, this Shazam means. Anyway, then click close and close Device Manager. You are all good. Yes, absolutely. But I don't understand this Intel part because I have AMD Ryzen. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.